Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will do the MCQs of class 10th economics chapter 3 money and credit. So let's start our video. Our first question is the rate of interest on loans is options are higher than what banks offer to depositors on their deposits or less than what banks offer to depositors on their deposits or equal in both cases or none of the above. Answer is higher than what banks offer to depositors on their deposits. Banks provide less interest on deposits and take more interest on the loans, and the difference that they get is the amount of earning for the banks. Next question is, who among these supervises the functioning of formal sources of credit? Options are Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, Central Government or Finance Ministry. Answer is Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India supervises the functioning of formal sources of credit. Next question is, borrower's asset which is used as guarantee to a lender until loan is repaid is called. Options are demand deposit, collateral, double coincidence of demand or none of these. Answer is collateral. Next question is, deposit with a bank that can be withdrawn whenever the depositor wants to do so is. Options are loan, collateral, demand deposit or cash payment. Answer is demand deposit. Next question is, informal sources of credit is. Options are bank, money lender, both 1 and 2 or none of these. Answer is money lender. Money lender is the informal source of credit. Next question is, which of these sources charge less interest rate on loan? Options are informal sources, money lender, jamindar or formal sources. Answer is formal sources. Formal sources means banks and cooperatives who provide loans to the required person. They offer loans on less interest rate, while the informal sources offer loans on very high rate of interest. Next question is, which of these agencies have the sole right to print currency in India? Options are RBI, some informal sector or government or finance ministry of India. Answer is RBI, which stands for Reserve Bank of India. RBI has the sole right to print the currency in India. Next question is, poor farmers do not prefer to take loans from banks because options are documentation required, collateral required, both 1 and 2 or high interest of rate. Answer is both 1 and 2 means documentation is required and collateral is required in the case of formal sector. So poor farmers do not like to take loans from formal sectors or banks. Next question is, formal sources of credit do not include. Options are bank, cooperatives, employers or all of the above. Answer is employers. Employers are not included in the formal sources. Next question is, in SHG, most of decisions regarding savings and loan activities are taken by. Options are bank, group of members or non-government organizations or government. Answer is group of members. The members who are the member of SHGs have the right to take decisions regarding savings and loan activities. Next question is, what issues are taken up by SHGs? Options are domestic violence, credit, health and nutrition, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. All of the above kind of issues are taken up by SHGs, which stands for self-help group. Next question is, when was Grameen Bank founded? Options are 1990s, 1980s, 1970s, or 1960s. Answer is 1970s. Next question is, who was the founder of Grameen Bank? Option are Professor Muhammad Yunus, or Jawaharlal Nehru, or Indira Gandhi, or Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answer is Professor Muhammad Yunus. Next question is, Grameen Bank was founded to meet. Options are agricultural requirement, or tool and machinery requirement, or credit requirement at reasonable rate of interest, or none of these. Answer is credit requirements at the reasonable rate of interest. Next question is, currency is important for nation as. Options are, it gives us purchasing power, or facilitates trade, or develops nation's economy, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Means currency is important for nation because it provides purchasing power to people, because it works as medium of exchange, and it facilitates trading also and develops nation's economy. Next question is, identify the situation when wheat farmer wants rice, but rice farmer does not want wheat, instead he needs some vegetables. Options are double coincidence of want, no double coincidence of want, or collateral, or exchange of goods possible. Answer is no double coincidence of wants. If uh, rice farmer wants wheat and wheat farmer wants rice, in that case double coincidence of want situation arises. But in this case, wheat farmer wants rice, but rice farmer does not want wheat. So in this situation, no double coincidence of coincidence is the right option, and that is why no exchange of goods is possible. Next question is, credit terms include details regarding. Options are rate of interest, mode of repayment, or documents and collateral, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Means credit terms include rate of interest, detail of rate of interest, and detail of mode of repayment. How will the uh, borrower repay the payment, and documents and collateral conditions. All the information is required. Next question is, bank plays an important role in the economy of India by. Options are providing deposit facilities, providing loan facilities, or providing credit facilities, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question is, SHG stand for. Options are self-help group, society helping group, security hiring group, or service help group. Answer is self-help group. That is all for today. I hope you will like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel.